Your pectoralis major and minor muscles, as well as your deltoids, will be the ones you focus on the most while working on your chest muscles. These are the muscles in your chest, armpits, and shoulders that run straight across them. It's crucial to warm up correctly before beginning the major workouts in order to prepare yourself and reduce the risk of injury. Stretching is a good place to start. As an example, lift your arms behind you and tie your fingers behind your back. Keep them as straight as you can while doing this. Try some low-intensity dynamic motions after you've stretched. These can involve doing light press-ups against the wall, attempting to get your muscles moving and warm, but without tiring yourself out. Before we start, make sure to give this video a like and also hit subscribe for future content. Now let's start the video. 1. Regular push-ups. Old yet nice, it's a classic. A great chest workout is the push-up. Your hands should be in line with your shoulders as you lie down on the ground with your arms straight out in front of you. Then, rise to your feet while maintaining a straight line from your heels to your neck. Make sure your back doesn't bend or your hips flex. As a result, your push-ups will be less effective, and you run the danger of injuring yourself. Get your chest as near to the floor as you can while bending your elbows to perform a single push-up. You won't reap the advantages if you don't maintain a straight line with your back and legs throughout. 10 repetitions per set. Then, pause for 30 seconds and repeat. Complete 3 sets and you're done. Increase the amount of repetitions in each set as soon as it becomes a bit easier. When you want to challenge yourself further, add 2 reps to each set. It's crucial to do each rep slowly and deliberately if you want to maximize the benefits of each push-up and maintain your technique. Avoid rushing through them because you risk losing form and getting less benefit from each push-up. 2. Decline push-ups. These are a great at-home chest workout since they are, unsurprisingly, the reverse of the incline push-ups mentioned above. Your push-ups will be harder if you raise your feet higher than your hands. This is due to the fact that you can truly engage your pectoralis major and deltoid muscles by lowering your chest to the ground. These should only be attempted if you're searching for a fresh challenge. As previously, keep your hands on the ground and your feet lifted while maintaining a straight back and legs. It's a good idea to put them to rest on a table, a garden seat, or even your sofa. 3. Wide push-ups. This is an excellent component to include in your at-home chest workout. Try spreading your hands out a bit more than shoulder width apart. By doing this, you let your tricep muscles, deltoids, and pecs to activate. 4. Push-ups on one leg. Okay, you'll need some real strength to do this at-home chest exercise. Begin in the conventional push-up position, then lift one leg high. Before switching legs, finish your set of repetitions while keeping your glutes tight for 10. You may always alternate legs between reps as an alternative. Just be certain you perform an equal number of repetitions on each leg. 5. Diamond push-ups. Once more, a development from the common push-up. Try placing your hands behind your chest for the diamond push-up instead of shoulder width apart, with your thumb and index finger touching. This is an excellent addition to your at-home chest training regimen since it works your core as well as the chest and arm muscles that we are already using. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Till the next video.